All right. So guys, let us try to understand how our lab will be. So in real network, how will you do the virtualization? You will take one physical server, correct?
Yeah.
I'm talking about the real network. So in real network, you will take this physical server. It can be HP server, Dell server. Okay, this will be your physical server. So on the top of this physical server, you will install ESXi. On the top of this ESXi, what you will do, you will create the virtual machines. On the top of these virtual machines, you will install the operating system. Then you will install the applications, correct? So at base, what is the base here? You need the physical server, correct? So in our lab, we can't have the physical server. Instead of having the physical server, what we will do? We will take the virtual server. Okay, we will have the virtual server. On the top of this virtual server, we will install ESXi. On the top of this ESXi, we will install the procedure is same. Okay, instead of having the physical server in our labs, we will create the virtual server. So to create this virtual server, we need a software called VMware Workstation. Sorry. VMware Workstation. So we will install this VMware Workstation first. This is the type 2 hypervisor. Okay, so we will install this VMware Workstation. On this VMware Workstation, we will create one virtual server. Then we will install the ESXi. Then we'll create the virtual machine. Then we'll install the operating system.